Well, I wasn't going to show this until I got the barrel band, but it's come out so nice. I just want to show it to you. You know, I thought it was going to be blotchy, but the true oil just makes the wood have a little bit of character, which beech usually doesn't have. So there we go. That is where the barrel band goes. I don't have it yet, but it's been mailed. Okay, that's it. And I will probably be taking it to shoot it and sight it in very soon. And today is Tuesday, and it's the last day that I'll be gone. And Wednesday, I have a knife that I got the handles on, and I got it kind of cleaned up from all the epoxy. And tomorrow I will make a nice handle out of it, and I'll start putting true oil on the handle. And it's walnut, and it's going to be really a pretty knife. It started off, I was going to make it plain Jane, but it's turned out to be a very nice little knife. It's a swamp rat, so, and it's available, or will be, here in just a few more days. Okay, have a good Tuesday, y'all.
What are you doing, huh? What are you doing?